How to fix Roblox error occurred while starting Roblox on Windows. For this, you need to open up our website firstly and tap on the three dot icon. From here, scroll down until you see the settings option. In the list of options, tap on privacy and security. Scroll down and click on to site settings. Again, scroll down to find the option View Permission and Data in all of the website. This process is when you use the Roblox website. Search for Roblox. At the side, click on the dustbin icon and click on Delete. This is to clear up any of the cache or the bug issue. Next, if you have yourself an Roblox application, for that, tap on the search bar and search for Run. Type in %app data % and click on OK. Then, you will see an interface like this. Click on the app data at the top. Select on Local Low or select on Local to find out for a Roblox file. If there is any of the temp file in here, you need to clear it up. Once you do this, try to start your Roblox again or restart your PC. And I bet the issue will be solved. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.